One of the common form fields that you usually add in is a name field. And you can see that I'm in the editing area of Jotform. And to add in the name field, you need to click on add element. And here you can see that full name is an option. Go ahead and click right here, and then the name field is actually here. So let's say I want to keep the name field at the top. So let's just go ahead and click and drag it over here. I can keep it on the top right here. You can go ahead and type the name to whatever you want. You can make it, let's say, for example, full name right here. So this is what you have. You can click right here and go to properties, and you can see that you have the field label as name, like full name right here. So I'm just going to go around over here, and let's say, for example, remove this as well. In order to change out the name right here. But let me just go around and type in full name right here. You can align the label to the left, right, and top right here. And you can set this as the form default, meaning whenever I bring in the name field, what happens is that the same format is applied. So this is what you can do. So you can make the form field required as well. So you can make it required, and you can add in the sub labels right here. So right now it's first name and last name. So you can go ahead and change it to first and last right here, just like this as well. You can even go ahead and duplicate out the form as you like, or remove this out as you can see right here. Let's just go to properties right here, and in option, you can even go ahead and enable a middle name right here, just like this. So you can see in the general, you get middle name. So I can go ahead and erase this out as well. Go to option, you can even go ahead and add in a prefix right here, and you can add in a drop down, Mr., Mrs. as well. Let me just add in another drop down, so I can go ahead and then paste this out as Miss right here, just like this as well. So you can go ahead and add in a suffix as well if you want to right here. So enter a title after their name. But let me just go ahead and turn it off in my case. So now I can go to advanced, and you can see you can add in a placeholder as well. So I'm just going to go around and type in Pratik. And then let's say, for example, Pradhan right here. You can go ahead and add in a middle name as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and add in Singh right here. So over here in the hover text, I can go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, please enter your full name right here, just like this. You can make it read only, but that won't allow the users to actually enter anything to the form, which is not what we want. So I'm just going to disable this. You can make the form feel smaller as well if you want to, but there's already a lot of elements right here, so I cannot shrink it. Let me just go around over here, disable the middle name right here, and then you can see like still like there's a prefix as well, so you're not being able to shrink it down. But if you were to disable it, then it'll shrink down when you turn this on. You can move it to next line as well when you shrink it. You can even hide the field if you want to from the users, but in my case, I want it to be visible. And if you were to go to the field details, you will be able to see the detail of this form in a coding level as well. So that is how you can work around with the full name field. And if I were to preview out this form now, what happens is that you can see the prefix and suffix, prefix right here, not the suffix. You can see that I got the miss right here that I can go ahead and add in as well. And you can go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, the name as you like as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the full name field inside of Jotform. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.